Takes a while to speed up. This is a 5-speed fan, by the way. Tells you on the remote 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's like little lights, they like light up. It's pretty cool. This is at my cousin's new house, by the way. Alright, well, I guess I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace out.